Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here in my shop today 2013 Toyota Prius. It's a returning customer, so that's wonderful. I did already the service she came back for, but before I took the vehicle in the shop, we were in the parking lot. I said, hey, is there anything else which should be done today on your car? And she said, actually yes. It will be my headlights. We replaced the bulbs. My grandpa was helping me. We replaced the bulbs, but the lights are not really showing anything. There's a light in them, but they are not pointed on the road. I don't know what's happening. Maybe we didn't put the bulbs correctly back. I don't know. So I said, okay, I will look at it and hopefully it's a quick fix. And it's interesting because I just made with you video about replacing low beam bulb, which is behind here, on 2010 Prius. So it was basically the same. So let's go first and confirm what's up with her lights. Let's put it on. That's a low beam, high beam, low beam. She said it's all pointed somewhere, who knows where, she can't see much. So the light is definitely coming on, but it's kind of odd. That's the marker. This one also on, but true, it's not really projecting here much. So let's see what we can find about this stuff really quick, so I don't waste your time, and if I can do it really quickly, I will also not charge the customer. Where is this hanging? Finally it's out. Hopefully now, after removing all that, I can squeeze that camcorder in and you can see the bulb. Do you see that it's not in the place? So I have to put my hand here, which will be very easy. I will try to film it for you. I'll put my hand there. I will remove that bulb first. There's already something melted. Look, the heat. Look at the bulb. There's something sticking to it already. The bulb perfectly works, but it was the heat. But actually, after touching it carefully with a utility knife, just with a little bit of touch, it fell off. So it's ready to go back in. And sorry, I would love to show it to you in perfect detail, but this is just annoying little space. So bulb is here, you can see it. You push away that wiring connector and you position it that socket, electric connector socket, it's towards to this wall. It's towards to the outside. And now I'm turning it. It's the downward direction. And now, only now, I know when it's pointing really perfectly down. I know it's correctly installed, and I can hook that wiring connector. There will be that click on it, right? As we know, you can see it hopefully right now. So it goes from underneath, and it should give me that audible click. Yep, click. So we are done with that. I will return the intake here, and we will move on the other side. And the other side is exactly the same. The bulb is just like halfway installed. The problem is I cannot see that. Do you see that blue? Yeah, little bit. You can have a tiny peek of that problem. I'm really trying to show it to you, but sorry, there is a limited space. Can I squeeze my zoom in? Oh yeah. We succeeded. Do you see that? The bulb is not in again. They just tried. And I admire that, but they didn't succeed and the bulb is barely hanging there. Okay, let's go and fix this one too. Maybe you can just watch it from there. There's definitely no way for me to hold the camcorder in this very tiny opening. I try to show it to you. The precaution is always, the general rule is, don't touch the glass with your fingers because you will introduce the oil from your skin. Don't touch these areas because that might damaged faster. The bulb can fail faster than when you avoid touching it. So if you can, right, these are H11C or in general H11 bulbs. If you can, don't touch it, please. Now I will do exactly the same. Put the wiring harness on the side, and I need to find out that position. You can look that it's not so hard. I have pretty big hands, by the way. So now, how to explain it to you? Now, the same way. The wiring connector is pointing towards to you, or let's say the passenger side. That's how I will start it. So it's almost horizontal position. Only when I feel in that position that it went all the way in, I'm turning it, I'm going down towards to the ground. It really made perfect 90-degree turn. Now I will hook that connector to it. Listen for the click. Yep, that was the click. I will reach it. Yep, I have it perfectly. And once again, the wiring harness, the connector is pointing exactly down to the ground. Now I really know it's perfectly in. Let's go check it. Oh yeah, now these projectors are actually nicely coming straight out. If you look, oh yeah, that's blinding. It's probably better not to look directly in it. Yes, they are perfectly working again. Awesome. And I know when I made the last video on the 2010, many of you commented that this is a common thing, that it keeps happening again. And that's another reason to explain, to show both sides and just walk everybody through it. So I'm sure somebody will find this video helpful in the future, definitely. And please make sure you are subscribed, because I will keep filming a lot of great videos for you on this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.